Bay Area. Breaking news tonight, the CDC has just confirmed the symptoms of the coronavirus. A few things on the list are sneezing, coughing, loss of hearing, breathing.
Excuse me. Hello? This is urgent and I have to take this? This is urgent. I have to take this.
Yo, what's good though? Social distancing, my brother. My bad.
Hey!
Yo,
What are you doing with the door?
I'm sorry, man. I just, with you having coronavirus and all.
What? I don't have COVID-19.
Hey, don't try to outsmart me, man. It's coronavirus.
It's COVID. What am I doing? Man, open the door. I don't have the virus. I have allergies.
I just can't let you out of there, okay? You're gonna have to quarantine inside your room until this is all figured out, but don't worry. I won't let you die. I've watched every Dr. Sebi video on YouTube. I know what I'm doing.
Man! You know what? I'm already stuck in the house. Now I don't have to deal with him. This is a good thing. This is a good thing.
Back when I was 9, I always thought that the greatest alive was Dwayne Carter. Now at 23, I'll probably leave a man rock bottom like Dwayne Johnson. Heir to the throne like I'm King Arthur. Salutations from that gritty nigga, call them gritty niggas, ripping checks to pieces. When they hear me flow, they yelling Mamma Mia like Italian coaches.
I was thinking, maybe we could take this slow. But it seems we get closer the higher we go.
No need for pencil, just me, myself, and this instrumental. Trying to cleanse my mind of everything I've been through.
What's next?
Born with potential, living out the dream that's been instilled within you. Just to be mistaken for somebody else and get popping pimples. Bullet to the temple. Life ain't simple, but it's rather sinful. Attach your soul like it's an unpaid rental. Lost in your murder makes.
Okay, I made you this tea and it's super special, but you can't come out. So stand back. Have a bat. Don't make me have to use it. Please. He got that corona cough. You got that corona cough. That's that corona cough. This is going to be harder than I thought. But I'm not giving up on you, man.
I love you. 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 Muah. I love you. I love you. I love you. Muah. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Hands don't associate with busters. You cuffed her. Said she from the gang, so we flipped her. We fucked her. Taught to never trust. West LA, baby, back and forth through customs.
Is this the new normal?
Am I out of toilet paper? How much is a bidet? Focus, focus. Quiet the mind. In, out, in, out.
Yo! Hey, can you hear me? What? Here, try this. It's my super special sea moss and soursop smoothie. It never fails. I can't hear you. His hearing must be going. Be strong. I didn't want it to come to this, but it looks like I gotta bring out the big boys.
You know that I better act like you know. Please just don't love you like I do. Love you like I do. Like I do. Love you like I do. Like I do. With me, coming on with me, coming on with me. What you need when you come in the bed when you need me? What you need when you come in the bed when you need me? What you need when you come in the bed when you need me?
Skipping class in DC, reppin' town biz. On my tippy toe so I could reach the mountains. Let me take a second, say it from my folk and them. Yip, is dumb as these Oakland bitch.
Like I do. Love you like I do. Like I do. Love you like I do. Like I do.
Okay, this is gonna fix you. All right? This is gonna fix you. Okay? All right?
Yeah. And just to show you how we live, I'ma turn this bathtub into a rocket ship. And
Fuck. What if he's already gone? It's too early to find out. You gotta stay in there at least 2 weeks, all right? If I start smelling something, then maybe I'll come and check on you, but just don't come out this room, okay? Because I can't risk getting the virus. I can't risk it, okay? I got dreams. I got goals. I got a life ahead of me, okay? I haven't met my wife yet. I want to have kids. I want to have grandkids. Bruh. If you come out that room, I'll be forced to beat the brakes off your bitch ass. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to call you a bitch. You don't deserve that. Bruh. Please, don't make me get ugly. Bruh. I'm up. Oh, Charlene, you've slimmed down.
Too much for easy jokes. Flick my paintbrush for the easy stroke. Fuck your God complex, yo, let them Yeezys go. Drink holy water only on weekends. A freak then off the deep end.
What are you doing out here?
Oh, shit. Oh. Stay back. Like I said before, I don't have COVID-19, coronavirus. I'm not gonna argue with you. I had allergies, and they're gone now. But, I must say, all the stuff you made me, I think it helped. Like, I actually feel a lot better. Thanks. Yo, have you seen this new show For Evan's Sake? Yo, it is hilarious. It's about this black dude going to therapy. Fiction. You're better. Are you saying what I think you're saying? I cured coronavirus? I didn't have anything to cure. So, you didn't... I cured coronavirus. You didn't cure COVID. I have the cure. You didn't cure... I cured corona! So, you cured corona. What would you like to say for yourself? Well there, other me. I would like to say, I knew it all along. when you spend so much time on self-healing and work, well, these kind of things are bound to happen, right? Woo! I can't come on the virus! I mean, dude, you didn't cure COVID. That's about to be huge. You didn't cure anything.
Dr. Fauci had allergies.
Dr. Fauci, who?
I coughed. Okay? Thanks for
Woo!
the soup.
I am about to be huge. I'm moving on up. To the east side.
How long have you been doing?
Probably a deluxe apartment in the sky. I am famous!
I be stuntin', nigga, I be stuntin', I be stuntin', nigga, I be stuntin', I be stuntin', nigga, I be stuntin'. I'm just riding around with my niggas, yeah, we be stylin', we be wildin'. That's your girlfriend, she ain't, I be stuntin'.